Hey, to make Opera GX default browser, all you have to do is just to click on the settings icon in the left bottom corner. And now from this, you will have to just scroll down. So keep scrolling until you find this option, default browser. It's almost at the bottom of the list. So it's just right here under the search engine and above on startup, and click to make default. Now you will be moved into the settings of your Windows, and all you have to do from this, just click to set the default for applications, and now just search for the Opera GX. Then click right here, and now click to set as default browser. There we go. Also, we can still change it. For example, in my Chrome, I'm opening the PDF files as default. So if you want to change it and open them in the Opera, just click here and select Opera from the list. Then tap to set default. And that's how you can change it for every extension right here. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.